What's up, everyone? So, I wasn't gonna do this video, but, and I'll tell you why at the very end, is how I lost 50 pounds in 1 year thus far. Recording this on May 6th, actually, of 2024, but May 5th, yesterday, a year, so 2023, till yesterday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, 2024, I lost exactly 54 pounds. And I'm not sure why I'm doing this video, because I myself am still in my, I guess I'll explain to you 3 big lessons of my weight loss journey. So to speak, you can say that's what it is. I'm still working on step 2, and I'll get to that. But the number one advice I could give in terms of losing quite a bit of weight, and regardless of where you are in your fitness or you haven't even started or whatever it is it's a lifestyle. It's not a diet. I have talked to many of my coworkers and friends, and we talk about it. Oh, they're like, oh, you can't eat that, you're on a diet. And this is a big mistake. Is I've been on diets before and I've lost a lot of weight before, but I gained it right back like it was nothing. Why? Because in people's minds, a diet is a time frame, short period of time where they need to lose a certain X amount of weight. And then once they lose that weight, and that's it. That's it. They're off the diet. They go back to their old habits, and that's it. Right? And then they gain it back, or they just, let themselves loose again and gain it all back. That's the problem. I could bet on it. That is the biggest problem people have when their mindset shifts and say, I am on a diet. I'm going to restrict this food, this food, this food, this food for the next 4 or 5, 6 months. And that's it. And then I'll lose my weight and then I'll be good. Good with what, dude? Like, you have not accomplished anything. Why? Because I guarantee you'll gain it right back after the X amount of months or time frame you set yourself up for that diet. Okay? So I'm going off a rant here because people need to understand that the number one thing that will impact your whole life, not for 2, 3, 4 months, no, your whole life, is to say, I am on a lifestyle change. Because what you'll be starting today, starting tomorrow, but preferably today, is what you'll be doing 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now. It is a lifestyle. You have to change your mindset that every single decision you make, every single day you decide to eat, you decide to cook, you decide to go out with friends, you decide to drink alcohol or whatever it is, okay? Those small habits that you do daily, you need to focus on them and be like, this is not something I want to do for the rest of my life. What are the vices that I'm doing now that is affecting me? Because the decisions you make today will affect months from now, a year from now, 3 years from now, right? The decisions I have made 2, 3 years ago left me where I was overweight. Okay? And the reason why I'm making this video 1 year later is because this goes to my second point, that it's a journey. Do not put a timeline for yourself. Okay? It is good to say I want to lose a certain amount of X in a year, and then the following year I'll lose this much, and then I'm gonna go to like phase 2 and like build muscle in the process and get my cardiovascular training up. So you can have like phases of what your goals are, but you need to understand that it's a lifestyle that is determined every single day you wake up till you go to bed. And then guess what? It repeats every single day for your lifetime. Okay? So was this so do you think, for example, this past year I didn't have a burger, I didn't have pizza, I didn't have nachos, because I really like nachos, nacho fries? Yeah, I have, right? And people are shocked when I say this. Or when my coworkers and friends see me eat like fries and like a burger, they're like, "Oh my gosh, like you're ruining your diet. What are you doing?" Like their mindset is so messed up that they think a diet is restricting yourself from everything and anything. And that's where people actually relapse, right? That you do not eat the foods that you actually like, and then you get so bummed out, you're not seeing results in the time frame that you allocated yourself. You're like, "Oh, forget it, screw this." And then you just binge and order pizza and all this stuff, and then you go back. And I'm telling you this from experience. It's a lifestyle. Your decisions every single day. For example, like random. Let's say you know you're gonna go out with your friends to celebrate someone's birthday, and they're gonna have pizza, they're gonna have like chips, and they're gonna have like buffalo wings, whatever, right? And let's say it's later in the day. So for me, I would be like, okay, I know I'm gonna consume a lot of calories later in the day. So either I'll do fasting in the morning, right? Just have some coffee, have some water in the morning, maybe a little snack, like an apple, just to keep me, over until I'm able to eat. And the reason I do that is because I'm like almost kind of changing my mindset to understand how many calories I'm eating in the whole day, not the meal, the whole day, from the time you wake up to the time you sleep, right? People are eating breakfast, like a huge, big breakfast, not realizing that they're going out and or whatever, and like dinner is gonna be huge too, because they're going out or whatever, and it's just you accumulate so many calories in the day that you're not putting in perspective how many calories you're eating throughout the whole day. You can have a humongous breakfast, and I have when I go out with my friends and get a bagel and cream cheese and bacon and sausage. That's totally fine. But you better know for lunch and dinner, if I don't skip one, I probably will skip one, for example, of those meals. It's going to be super healthy, super light, because I've already consumed most of my calories I have allocated for that day during breakfast. This is the lifestyle I'm talking about. Understanding what choices you're making when you're eating, right? So that you're not going over your caloric intake for that day, okay? And this is how you make it so that it's a lifestyle, not an X amount of time allocated for a diet. And as I mentioned, number two, it's a journey, guys. It will take a long time. It's been a year, and I am not even close to where I want to be in terms of my physique or my mental health or my personal development journey. It is a journey. And I might do another video from a year from today, right? May 5th, 2025, right? And see where I am. And I'm hoping, right, that I've changed my mindset this whole year, and it's getting stronger and stronger every single day, and understanding more about calories, understanding more about fitness, even hiring a coach, because you need to have someone who's been through that journey or is at the end of that journey that you want to become. You want to be that person. So why not skip all the fuss and the hustle and whatever it is, and just pay someone so that you don't fall into their mistakes, and just skip so many different mistakes that you probably would do on your own, right? The third advice I would give is, what is your purpose? What is your why? When you look yourself in the mirror, what purpose do you have to get yourself in shape? What is it? What is driving you, right? Because that purpose, that why needs to, and I'm telling you, I swear, it needs to be stronger than any excuse you have. Why? Because if that excuse is just 0.5% even stronger than your purpose and your why, guess what? You're not getting up to go to the gym. You're not going to care how many calories you have in that day. You're going to consume whatever you see, right? The seafood diet, right? So you need to have your mindset straight in terms of your purpose and why you want to lose weight. Won't tell you what mine is because every single person, it's personal. Literally, it's personal, right? Whether it's someone's doing it to get a girl, someone's doing it to get just to change their physical appearance, someone who wants to actually not be ashamed to take off their shirt during summer, or whatever it is. You need to find the purpose and the why so that your journey is meaningful, right? And maybe you're doing it for health wise. You got your labs back and they're horrible, you're pre-diabetic, your cholesterol is high, or whatever it is, okay? And for you to maintain that purpose and why through that journey, create it as a lifestyle. Don't tell anyone you're on a diet. Oh my gosh, you lost weight. Please tell me your diet. I'm not on a diet. But if you want to change your lifestyle and be prepared to go through months and months of torture of changing your mindset first and going through that journey and understanding your purpose and why, let's talk. Let's sit down and talk. But if you're going to come and tell me that you're on a diet for X amount because you want to go on vacation, you want to look good for this, it's not going to work. You're going to relapse. What's the purpose? What's the point, right? So feel like I'm getting angry in this video. That wasn't the purpose of this video, but I do want to say that those are the biggest 3 things I would advise anyone to focus on if they want to lose a major amount of weight over their lifetime, right? First, lifestyle. It's not a diet. It's a journey. It's going to take a hell lot of time. So be prepared with your mind, right? It's mind over matter. And you see it either on social media where I post where I am so tired waking up at 3, 4 a.m. in the morning before I go to work to hit my workout. And trust me, being in bed, being all warm and cozy and relaxing and just sleeping in, trust me, that is beautiful. And I want to do that. But my mind is stronger than what my physical needs are. So I need to get up because I know what my purpose and my why is, which is number 3, purpose and the why of this journey that you are going to start or you're in the middle of. Do not forget that. Do not fall off the bandwagon. Stay focused. Change your mindset, and you got this. Just wanted to share this. Look, I am no personal trainer. I am nowhere near my physique or the weight I want to hit or, my personal goals when it comes to that. But I just want to say, if this video helps you or can help anyone that you know, just change one person's life and mindset for them to start, I'm good. I'm golden. Anyways, take care, guys. See ya.